Let me begin by practicing some texture. I'm going to start with a texture that's really focused on line. So when I put all of these lines different directions next to one another, it kind of starts to create a woven or a rope-like texture. Another texture I'm going to see a lot of in Juneau, Alaska is going to be water. And water can have many different textures. It could be flat, it could also be like little water droplets or rain. Like droplets on leaves or bubbles that you might see in a. Another way for me to create texture is by using small dots. This is called stippling. If the dots are far away, then more light is allowed through, and if the dots are very close together, less light, so it creates a darker pattern.